Hey guys, welcome back to the 7th episode of Let's Play Space Engineers. As you can tell, I'm a little bit sick, I have a little bit of a cold, caught it from my son, but you know, that's how it is. I'm getting better already, it's just my voice is still a little bit tarnished, and I might have to cough a couple times, but you know, that's a great thing about the internet, you can't get sick from me. Not a computer virus that I have, it's just a regular virus. Cool. Yeah, we built the 3D print, 3D mining rig last time, and we're pretty well set up. But there's a couple things that I want to do today, and I want to walk you through what those are. And to make that easier, I've put up a little LCD display that outlines the upcoming tasks, things that I'm planning to do. The first item that we have on here is build 3D mining rig. We completed that last time, so this is checked off already. The other thing I want to do today, a lot of you guys recommended to use the Build Vision mod, and I'm really excited to check that out. So I'm going to actually walk you through how to activate a mod if you already started a game and you didn't activate the mod and you want to activate it retroactively. I'll show you how to do that in case you don't know and you're interested in figuring it out and learning it with me together. And then the other thing, which I mentioned last time already, I want to build a refinery. Like not the little basic refinery that we have back here, but like a proper big one. Maybe slap some modules on it. We'll figure that out. Yeah, and you can also I've also already added a couple of other items here. Build a miner carrier. So I want to build a little vehicle that we can kind of land or miner on. That has a bunch of storage and a bunch of additional battery capacity, so we can just like drive to one of the mining spots and kind of like detach the mining vehicle, go and mine, unload into the carrier, and go and mine some more and unload into the carrier. So we don't have to like do these trips back and forth as much. And then I also want to build a hangar. Hangar. Well, this thing here. Specifically to be able to park and unload and dock the mining carrier. And last, I want to build a space-capable ship, because at some point we'll need to leave this gravity well and get out into space and explore the big beautiful stars. Oh. Yeah. Excuse me. So the last three items, the carrier, the hangar, and the space-capable ship, these are definitely going to be in future episodes, but I've put them down here already as like kind of like to give you a little bit of a idea of a roadmap. You know, we engineers, we love our roadmaps. And what we are going to start with is we're going to activate Build Vision. So the way to activate Build Vision in a game that you've already started, or like any mod really, first of all, you need to exit the game, the current game. Let's make sure to save so we don't lose anything. And then we go to exit main menu and save changes before quitting. Yeah, we'll save again. Okay, here we're on the main menu. And like most of the time when you start Space Engineers, we'll probably just hit the continue game button and it will just load the last game that you played. But to actually change the settings or the mods loaded with the game, we need to explicitly go onto the load game button. So we're going to go here on the load game button, and you find the save game that you want to activate the mod in. In this case, it's Let's Play. I have a couple copies of the Let's Play here as well. But you choose the Let's Play, the save game that you want to change settings on or load a mod in, and then you click. You don't click load immediately, but you click on edit settings instead. Let's do that. Okay. So now you can see these are the same settings that you have in your typical when you start the game. You could like change it from survival back to creative, change your online mode, yada yada yada. But what we want to do is we want to add some mods. So we click on the mods button here, and as you can see, I don't have any available mods. I don't have any active mods. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to subscribe to some mods in the Steam Workshop so that they show up on their available mods so we can actually add them to the game. So let's click on the Browse Workshop button down here for that. And you can see there's mods immediately show up. And you can go and explore here if you want to. But I actually know what we want. We want build vision. This is, by the way, the search is horrible. Oh no, never mind. Last time I used it, build vision didn't actually show up when I typed in build. But here it is. So this is version 3. There's like older versions, 1.5 and 1 and 2 probably as well. But this is the latest version, and this is what we're gonna subscribe to. So the terminology here in Steam is subscribing to a mod. So just click this little checkbox down here. We can just you can double click, I think. Oh, here, open item workshop. I guess you could do, but you click the little square box on here. It's not very well. You can't see it very well, but it's there. So just go ahead and click it right there. So this is selected, and I think that's it. We just close the workshop browser again. It doesn't show up immediately. What we need to do is we need to click the refresh button down here. There we go. So now we have Build Vision 3.0. So we click that, and then we click on Activate Mod. And now it's in the active mods list. Awesome. So from here, we just click OK. We can double check that it's actually in here. Yep. And then we click OK again. And now the settings for this save game have been changed. So now we can click on load. This is going to load the game with... It actually also... I don't know if you saw that. It was quite quick, actually. It downloaded and installed the mod. And now it's going to start the game with the mod active. Have a little bit of coffee here while the game loads. There we go. And here we are. Now, we have Build Vision installed, I believe. Let's give this a... I think we have to hold control. There we go. Look at this. Nice. I'll still need to learn how to use this mod well, but I think when you hold control... Oh, no. There we go. This little menu shows up. And then you can scroll up to get like a scroll wheel selection thing. So basically what it allows you to do is like... instead of going into the terminal of a block, right, where you can change all these blocks settings, you can just do it directly from... Oh, sorry, from this menu. So like you hold control, scroll up, and you get this little scroll wheel kind of menu. Or alternatively, you hold control and scroll down, and you get kind of like a more I don't know how to call this, like a list view. I'm a little bit confused. I don't actually know how to use that. I guess. Okay, whatever. I'll figure it out. I need to get used to it. I watched a couple videos on it and read up a little bit on it. But I think the most important thing that this will provide me is that it makes it super easy to just change the name of a block without having to figure out which block is which and yada yada yada, without having to actually do a bunch of crazy stuff like I did last time here when I tried to figure out which one of the pistons is which to rename them. Excuse me. So let's come here and we've activated build vision, so we can check that off. So now we have 2 items checked off. Awesome. Making progress, you know? It feels good. Let's build the refinery next. Let's quickly check how much resources we have, because I realize I might not have as much as we need. So I was just curious here. Um, I saw in a different. I saw in what I'm looking here, just to fill you guys in. I saw somewhere how I saw someone actually building entire blocks, the components for entire finished blocks, by selecting them from up here. So let's say refinery, you want to construct all the components for a refinery. Obviously, you can add it to the build queue and whatnot. But they had like a option up here that they could click that would show down here a menu with all the different blocks, and they just clicked the block and it added all the components for that block into the build queue. There only seem to be components, tools, and consumables right now. This says blueprints, so I wonder if I can... Yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out later. Let's just get stuff out of my inventory. Let's fill this up here as well while we're here. It's gonna pop up here. Yep, there we go. Excuse me 1 second. Okay, I was still... I see. Okay, we're back to chewing on the cobalt instead of the stone. We have like a bunch of stone from our mining rig in here. The way that this works is... Sorry, 1 second, that didn't... I need to put the cobalt somewhere where there's space. There's no space anywhere. I guess the miner drill has... Oh, that's the miner drill. That's my little spacecraft, and not the actual mining rig drill. This is the mining rig drill. So we could just throw the cobalt in there. So we're gonna do that. Mining rig drill, where are you? Here. And now the refinery is pulling stone. Oh, and it pulled some cobalt. So I don't want it to pull the cobalt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cobalt in here and put the stone in here. I'm not sure how the game prioritizes pulling these materials from different containers, but if all the material are in the same container, it goes from left to right. So it will prioritize pulling the stone from the small cargo container over pulling the ore, I believe. But then again, I'm not sure if the small cargo container will fill up the stone here before it will start chewing on the cobalt. I don't know. We may need to move some stone around manually. But let's... Oh, sorry for that. Let's keep working on that. Let's see. We actually wanted to see how much iron we have. And we have almost 10,000 iron. That is great. How much material do we need for a refinery? So let's quickly look at the... Do I have it on my... I don't know if I have it. This is assembler. So I look at... This is not the refinery that we're looking for, right? Oh, another thing that I forgot to mention. Last week was the Steam had a sale on the Space Engineers Ultimate Pack or whatever it's called. It basically has all or most of the add-ons included, and it was like only $20 or something. So I went ahead and bought it, and so now I have like access to all the different kind of styles of blocks and whatnot that I previously did not have. An ATM, interesting. Okay, but let's look at the refinery. I'm gonna replace this Oh no, I already have it. I see. Okay, so I can actually do two and then scroll through. Industrial refinery, basic refinery. Okay, this is the actual refinery, the big one. So this requires 1100 steel plate. And a bunch of other stuff, but I think the biggest chunk here is going to be 20 metal grit. I'm not sure how many resources the metal grit, but metal grit definitely requires cobalt, but we should have plenty of cobalt. 1100 steel plate. One steel plate, I believe, costs 7 ingots, so we'll need 7,000, almost 8,000, 7,700 steel ingots, iron ingots, which we have. So not too worried about that. So I think what we should do is figure out where we want to place this, and maybe expand our little base here a little bit more, so we have a little bit more space, and figure out where we want to put down the refinery. I just want to make sure that we're actually working through. The stone here. No, we pulled back cobalt again. Okay, I have no clue. Oh, it went through. I see. Okay. It emptied the cargo container. The stone there wasn't a cargo container. Let's assume it goes from bottom to top. So I'll try to put it in the survival kit. The cobalt. I can't. But I had it in the mining rig drill. Oh yeah, I just went back into the small cargo container. I see. Excuse me. Yeah, you just have to deal with that. I'm sorry. I just put some more stone up there. Oh, I see. All of this other stuff is still in the little miner, so I'll just put it in the mining rig drill, I think, and it should automatically end up somewhere where it... Yeah. Okay, I think now I have all those stone either in the cargo container or on the refinery. Awesome. The other thing that I want to do, actually, I want to run the drill while we're working on the base, so we can continue collecting resources. Excuse me. So we're gonna quickly turn it back on. And then we need to offset the drill head a little bit. I think we talked about this last time, but each increment of the... Let's pull this up again here so you guys can see it. No. Yeah, over here. So the way that we change the position, right, is by increasing the... Actually, 1 second, sorry. These have a negative direction, which I believe is wrong. They should all have a positive direction. Let me quickly fix that. The velocity is negative, which is wrong. That'll make them close, but they should be opening. Although I changed it and they shouldn't be... They shouldn't actually be opening right now because the maximum... excuse me, distance is 0. So and then every button click here should increase the maximum distance by 0.5, and we want to increase it by 2.5, which is the width of a block here. Sorry, that's not correct. Something is wrong here. By 5, and it's increasing it on two, on both pistons. So like, clicking the button 5 times will increase it by 5. And move the drill head over to the next position. So I'll click this button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this should start moving. Now, did this lights just flicker? Is anything happening here? It looks like they're opening, right? Oh, these are opening. Yeah, these are definitely opening. So you always want to have the drill head run while you move it around, just in case it bumps into some voxels. This way, it'll just mine them away. Would be cool to have to actually see how far out they are. Oh, there it's starting to mine a little bit. But maybe there's a way to do it with a terminal and a script, but I'm not super sure about that right now. Current position 1.6, so that they have 1 more meter to go. So let's let that run a little bit. I wanted to kind of expand this here a little bit, as I said. We need some iron plates, though. Let's just grab some iron plates. Let's actually use some iron plates as well. Oh, sorry, steel plates. I'm so confused. Missing items. No iron ingots. What is this? Oh, I see. It can't pull any into its inventory because its inventory is too full with stuff. Okay, I see. So let's grab these here. And these maybe. Maybe the gravel as well. Yeah, there we go. That we probably also need to do at some point. Like, handle the gravel. Actually, since we'll need to produce a lot of steel plates, 7,700. Let's just queue those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh wait, I think I can press these two too. Yeah. So if you hold Control and Shift, you add 1,000. If you hold Control and Shift, if you hold Control, it's 10. Shift is 100. Control and Shift is 1,000. So I add 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll need more resources for some 20 metal grids and a bunch of more. But we'll deal with that. Well, it's important that it chews through all these here over time. Let's grab some more plates. And let's add a couple more blocks here. Maybe also... Come on. Energy low. Okay. I should actually... I'm sorry I'm spending so much time here on organizing the inventory and whatnot. But I do need to check on the stone once more. Because the cobalt was definitely back in the refinery. Yeah. Ah, there's so much cobalt. Okay, let's just... I can't put it in a Mining. Oh, I actually can't. Oh yeah. I actually need to run the drill. I moved it, but I'm not lowering it. So let's reverse it here. Should start lowering it. Okay, we'll come back to that once we have a little bit of stone already accumulated. Let's just extend this out a little bit. So we have a little bit more space. And let's see how we want to plug down this refinery. So it has a port here, and one there, and one on the bottom. I think one on the top as well. Yeah. And then these here are the module connections. So I think a simple way to do this would just be like to put it down this way. Right here. Right, so it connects on this port here. The modules are accessible from the other side. It kind of like obstructs a little bit the view onto the mining rig and whatnot, but that's fine. We can deal with that. So let's just put it here for now. Unable to place refinery. Why? Oh, I think this lamp up there is in the way. Yeah, in case you guys haven't noticed, I put down a couple lamps here in various locations just to light up the place a little bit more and whatnot. Okay, let's look at this again. Yeah, that looks better. There we go. Okay, so let's add this to the construction queue. Build planner in the construction queue by right-clicking it. And let's get in here. What I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to cancel this here. Because I don't want to be in the construction queue multiple times. I'm going to grab all the material that we've already built. And then by clicking middle mouse button, and then I think it's shift middle mouse button to queue it. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. Perfect. Now it's building all the material. I should put a bunch of this stuff. I wish you could, like, I'm trying to shift click to put it back in the inventory, like in larger stacks, but that doesn't seem to be possible. It's kind of annoying. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we have a bunch of stone now here everywhere. This cobalt, let's see if we can stick it in the mining drill. Yeah, here. I think this stone should go out first, so we should be chewing through most of this stone first. Let's see how the drill head is doing here. So yeah, as you can see, it's not a perfect opening here. It's actually significantly smaller than this one. I wonder if it's because I ran this other hole up and down several times. There's a small overlap between the two kind of drilling areas, but it's really minor. I actually think this may have run its course already. Right? These look like they're open. Let's quickly check. Mining rig X. No, wait, the vertical pistons. Yeah, 10 meters. 10 meters. 10 meters. And this one should be 0. Yep. Let's reverse it again then. So it should be coming up again. Hey, if you guys have any... I know there are some mining rigs that kind of are circular instead of this kind of pattern. Which is also certainly interesting. I want to avoid using scripts from the workshop for now, though. And some of these, I believe these kind of like circular mining rigs, they require you. Maybe they don't require you, but like, it seems to be most people use them in combination with a script from the workshop to actually kind of operate them. This is working for now. I might change this or upgrade it or maybe automate it more with like some timer blocks. I had some ideas how to make this run more automatically just with timer blocks. And in the future, we'll maybe write our own scripts to run these mining rigs. Let's just go and grab some more material here and just stick it into this refinery because I really want to get this refinery done today. And we will need to start welding it up. I think for modules, so there's 3 different kinds of modules that you can attach to the refinery. Let's actually quickly look here in the more. Oh, is it not? Oh, I might have to unlock. I almost certainly have to unlock them. Yeah. And I think I need to. Yeah, I need to. Oh wait, I need to build assembler, not the refinery to unlock them. Interesting. Okay, I might have to also build an assembler then. But there's 3 modules. There's the speed module, there's the yield module, and there's the power efficiency module. I think the power efficiency module is probably not. We'll see. We'll see how much power the refinery actually uses. But like, we can just build some more wind turbines if we need more power. Yield module, that sounds very interesting. And speed module sounds very interesting. Yeah, the yield module requires superconductors, and the yield module, the speed module, just computers. Pretty sure I can build all the components for the speed module. I'm not sure what I need for superconductors. Here's my guess. We need the assembler. The advanced assembler, not the basic assembler. Let's grab some items here. Oh, yeah. Getting there. Let's quickly look at what we need for the assembler instead. Is this the large assembler? Basic assembler. It is. So, oh yeah, that's super simple. Should we just set this up right next to this one? Let's see. Actually, because this is actually interesting. It has. If we build this smart, we might be able to get modules on all sides of it, right? Like it has module ports on each of the 4 sides, and an access panel on the top and the bottom. So if we instead of placing it straight on the up against this one here or even against the ground, although I guess we could place it like this and just grind down the blocks beneath it and put a module underneath it. I wonder if that works. I think we should test that. Oh, this signal is actually reasonably close. Maybe we should go and check it out. While let's put the assembler. Let's cue the assembler parts. Did I put the right? I believe when I have the item in my hand and queue, it doesn't do from the. It doesn't actually queue from the. What's it called? From the build planner, but it queues from my hand. Let's quickly see. That looks about right. I think. Right? 160 computers, 80 construction components, I don't see any of these in here, so I'm... Oops. What am I doing here? Inventory. Production. Yeah, I'm not sure if this worked. I also... No. This is definitely wrong. Let's cancel these here. Okay, then we still don't have the blueprints here or anything, you know, we don't. Okay. Well, let that finish here. And while it finishes, we'll go and check out that signal. It should be right over this hill here. Okay. Apparently, I believe there are different kinds of signals that have like different capabilities, so to say. This is the button. Oops. So I think we need to press the button. Yeah, special content, try to luck to get a new special item. Let's see. Oh, what did we get? A badger drill. Okay. We'll take that. And let's grab this down. Oh. It's like coming at me. I mean, really, like, I think we don't really need these resources anymore. We have plenty of resources available to us now. But we also don't want to let it go to waste. Oh, one thing that we should actually do, especially since we're like gonna be welding a lot on this refinery and probably on the assembler similarly, we should look into building the better tools. I just assume that the better tools have like a oh wait, did I not? Oh, I didn't open the container that was on it. I just ground it down. But I think these are construction components right here. They probably, yeah, were in the container. But sometimes items that drop out of a container directly in the ground, I've seen them glitch through the voxels before, and so that's generally probably not a good idea. You probably want to open them, generally. Okay, let's get back here. Okay. Let's see. Why? We don't have enough iron. I see. Well, inventory. Yeah, the cobalt is clogging up the refinery again. Let's put that back into the drill here, if we can. And I'm still not sure if that's the right way to go about this. Actually, I guess it'll pull from the mining craft last, is my guess. So maybe let's do it the other way around. Let's put this in here. Let's switch this over first. Let's grab stuff from the mining. Where is it? Stick it at the refinery. And we can put it in a drill. For now. Then take this here. I actually want to probably take it from the last one. It's the miner drill. We'll stick that in here then. Yeah, I think Maybe this will work better. I should read up on like how priorities, like how this works, like where it takes the items from. I wonder if it's maybe just the order of the items, how they are connected to the conveyor system. But that seems unlikely. Okay. Excuse me. Oh yeah, we wanted to check out building more tools, right? We already have the drill. We found that in a drone. Enhanced welder. Let's queue that. Enhanced grinder. Why not? Let's queue that as well. Just prioritize them. What is missing? Inventory is full. I see. And then let's build the assembler right here. There we go. Stick the material in there. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so I think I have the... I must have crafted the tools. Yes, there we go. Here and there. Do I need to... Is that... I'm not sure if it's using the... No, I don't think so. Let's... Yeah, no, I can't access them. Character tools? Yeah. This one. This one. Okay. Starting to speak German here. This welding hopefully goes a little quicker. We need a bunch of computers still. Are we still building those? I don't see anything in the production queue. Let's queue them. Sort of cobalt in here again. But the stone seems to be keeping up now, which is good. It keeps refilling the stone. That's good. Okay, perfect. Grab the stuff. Yeah. So now, I hope this refinery is running, huh? I hope we're... going through this much quicker. Yeah, that looks great, actually. I'll let the basic refinery run as well, because while it is less efficient, I think it makes sense to so we can get through this material quicker. Okay. Awesome. Let's quickly check this off. Also, build assembler and build modules. We'll still figure out which modules we actually want to build. Yeah, let's quickly add these to the build planner. Grab what we have, build the rest. Little copy. By the way, if you double click your tool will go into like auto mode, so you don't have to hold the mouse button the entire time you're welding or grinding or whatever. Okay, we'll need to refill our energy here. And then grab some more components from the assembler. Yep. We still need a lot of computers. Are we building those? Yes, we are. Okay, perfect. Okay. The refinery looks very plain. I guess we're gonna build the industrial one, but whatever. This is still just our like jumpstart base. We'll build something fancier and nicer later. I'm actually gonna move the drill head further and let it run down again. So we're gonna press this one 5 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's quickly watch it do its thing. And then when they are at 5 meters distance, let's just grab stuff here first. I'm a little bit confused. What is this here? Oh. Okay, we don't need that stuff anymore. Okay. Okay, this is done. And we can exit it from here. Yeah, let's start at production quickly. Because I am interested. Oh yeah, superconductor there. Gold ingot. Okay, we need gold for superconductors. And platinum and gold for thruster components. Okay, right now we don't have any gold yet, but like we don't have a tap. Let's put it that way. But we do have gold over here. Let's run this down. We just need to reverse the direction here again. I'm almost certain it's finished. Cool. And then we finish the assembler. And then let's check out the modules. So given that I think speed modules are probably like if we had like a platinum, like some material that is rare, that is like hard to get and that we don't have a lot of, and we really want to make sure that it like runs efficiently and that we get the most out of the ore, like platinum for example, then I think going for the yield modules makes sense. But for now, I think going with the speed modules is just the way to go. We probably still, like, even though we're kind of like, but while we're actively drilling, we're probably going to collecting more stone than we are processing. Yeah, exactly. So increasing speed is probably a good idea. And I also want to test if I can actually place a speed module down there, if that works. We may have to drill this out a little bit, but yeah, let's speed module. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I definitely want the speed modules to be full on the refinery, which would be 4. They're not too expensive, are they? No, that's okay. And then 1 more for the assembler. Actually, I'll just test it with one of those and then grind that back off again. I don't really need a speed module on the assembler right now, I think. So grab what we have. Actually, it seems like I have full inventory stuff. A full inventory full. So let's start at the top. No. Okay. Let's check this out here. Get this away and then right-click drill. Okay, that looks good. And then, yeah. Okay, well, it's the wrong way around like this. Yeah. Actually, maybe I'll just... Oops. Maybe I'll just weld that up as well, huh? I think that makes sense. Let's just do it. Why not? Why not? A lot of computers. Let's grab more stuff and then build the rest. Actually, when I'm in this menu here, okay, I am using the assembler. Okay, I need to figure out there's this thing called cooperative mode, I think. Right, so there's the assembler and then there's the basic assembler, and I think I want to activate cooperative mode on the basic assembler. The basic assembler will take, I think what the way that it works is it will take some of the production queue of the assembler and then produce that. I need more computers. Okay. I can probably start building up these here. Okay. And then grab some more stuff. More stuff? Are we still building? Yeah. Okay. I think we're through this here already again. So let's just get that back up. I'm really curious if we're still... Still have... Yeah, we still have a bunch of stone left. Okay. Okay. And I guess the one refinery is not enough to process all these stones. Maybe we should have built the second one immediately. Oh, we need to grab material. That's what we're doing here. Oh, okay, got all the components. I think then we have one more up here. Just grab what we have. Queue the rest. Okay. Nice. Almost done here. Split up the last one here. At least once we have all the components. Still building. Not hear it. Oh, there we are. Okay, a couple more computers and a motor or what. Okay. There we go. We got everything. Done. Nice. So, the other thing I wanted to quickly check. Thought I saw the lights flicker again. Which is the other thing I want to check is power. Because I'm almost certain we don't have enough power to power all of this. Especially with all these modules and whatnot. .8 megawatts is the maximum power required by the refinery alone. And yeah, our 3 mega wind turbines can produce not even half that, basically. Let's quickly check how efficient they are still. I can attach 2 more to that tower. And they are still running optimally, although it's just weirdly low. I guess there's this stuff in the way now and whatnot. That's okay though. I can attach 2 more, and then we'll just extend this and build some more. Let's quickly do that, so we have enough power moving forward. Oh, steel blade. We don't have any steel plate? Okay. Let's just set this up here. And then we need 8 in between, I think, right? Oh, actually... maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Mostly plates. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted. That's in the wrong spot. I think 1 more. Make sure that they're the same height. Let's see here. Looks good. Probably easier to see from this angle. Yeah, that seems about right. Let's see, where are the wind turbines? 6. Oh, I can't. Oh. more lights that need to be removed. As well. But let's decorate these towers a little bit. No, no, not practical enough. Okay, now I should be able. Is that in the way? Is that the problem? Let's see if it fits on the other side. If it fits on the other side, then it's definitely that. No. Oh, I think I know what it is. I think I need to kind of raise these off by one. Like this. And then they can fit, yeah. Okay. I wonder if I should, if I need to raise these here by one as well. I actually don't know. Get out of my way, tower. This one. So I have, let's see. No. 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2 more over here. 1, 2. This should be 7. Yeah, that looks good. Now let's grab components and build the rest. Let's just start welding this up here. Okay. Missing quite a bit of components here. Okay. Let's move the drill head and lower it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think that will conclude this kind of like quote-unquote line. One, 2, 3. Oh no, there one more. Should have one more. There's 5 stops in each direction. So total we have like 25 drill spots. Let's grab material. Okay. A lot of material. Actually, let's look build vision here. Are we? So that's 410. That's good. 355. So this is very low efficiency actually. Oh, 400 now. Okay. Good. Focus. Completion. Okay. Not too bad. Let's see here how they're doing. 448 is max output. This is really bad, actually. Wind turbine 10. Wait, are they all that low? Is that like something about the weather? Or did I... mess up in some other way? Wind current is optimal though. Guess this might be the weather. Here, let's do another LCD panel, because there is actually transparent LCD. Let's check that out. And just I can't just go anywhere. There? No. No, that's not cool. This? Actually not sure what is up and what is down here. Hey, Editor Me here. I spent another 10 or so minutes on just trying to figure out how to get this display the right side up. I'll spare you all of that and just jump right to the solution. If you guys know how I got it wrong again, can I just flip it over from the... Oh yeah. There we go. There, I fixed it. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, so I think there's... Oh, I actually really like this display. Much cleaner than this here. Maybe I'll switch this out. But the reason I actually put this down was there's like some predefined scripts. It has, among other things, weather. Weather is clear. So... Oh, they're all outputting so little because I don't need the power. That makes sense. Right? That's what's going on. Yeah, that's what's going on. Okay. So if I start lowering this drill here, then the drill would obviously need power while it's crushing through stuff, but then the stone will flow into the base and the refinery would turn on. Actually, did I go through all my cobalt? No. No. Okay. Let's see if this, I heard the refinery spin up. Yeah, now they're producing more power. That's, okay, that's much better. I definitely, another thing, I definitely need, a battery. But I think that's something we should do next time. Actually, here, let's clean this up quickly. We built the modules. Then for next time, we definitely need batteries for the base. And then we're gonna start working on the miner carrier. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please make sure, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you like this video and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe. I upload Space Engineers twice a week. And I have a bunch of other stuff as well on the channel if you're interested. Please use the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. You always have like great feedback, great tips, great ideas. So put them in the comments and let me know how I can do better. What else you would recommend? Does this roadmap here make sense, or did I miss important parts, things that I should absolutely be doing that I don't have on here? So let me know. Do so in the comments below, and then see you guys next time. Bye.